Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best subwoofers for car that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Rockville SS10P Subwoofer. Rockville SS10P 10-inch 800-watt slim underseat active powered car and truck subwoofer is a suitable choice for vehicle owners looking to improve sound quality without using much space. This subwoofer is designed to be placed under the seat of a car or truck, providing strong bass while keeping the interior neat. The built-in amplifier delivers powerful performance, making it easier to enhance the audio system without needing extra equipment. The subwoofer has a peak power output of 800 watts and root mean square power of 200 watts, which gives clear and deep bass for music lovers. Made with a cast aluminum enclosure, it remains cool even during long drives, reducing the risk of overheating. It fits under seats with dimensions of 13.6 length by 9.65 width by 3 height, making it a good option for small spaces. Users can adjust settings with the metal bass remote, allowing quick control over bass levels without difficulty. The subwoofer includes protection circuits to prevent thermal damage, short circuits, and overload, which helps extend the lifespan of the unit. It supports low-level and high-level inputs, offering flexibility in connecting different audio systems. With a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 180 Hz, it covers a wide sound range, providing better sound depth. Sensitivity is 90 dB at 1 watt per 1 meter, offering clear sound with minimal distortion. The phase switch and bass boost features allow further customization to suit different preferences. In our list, the number 2 product name is Scentur ST1010. Scentur ST1010 10-inch ultra-slim under-seat powered car and truck subwoofer is designed to provide deep bass sound in a small space. It is suitable for car and truck owners who want a strong bass effect without taking up extra room. This subwoofer has a built-in amplifier, making it easy to install without adding separate audio equipment. It can fit under most vehicle seats because of its compact size and flat design. The subwoofer has a peak power output of 1000 watts and root mean square power handling of 300 watts, which improves music quality with clear bass. The frequency response range starts from 20 Hz and goes up to 500 Hz, covering low and deep bass tones. The low-pass filter is adjustable from 50 Hz to 150 Hz, allowing better sound tuning based on different music styles. The enclosure is made from cast aluminum, helping it stay cool during long drives and heavy use. There is a spider speaker protector, and when the car starts, the blue light-emitting diode ambient light ring adds a modern look to the interior. This gives vehicles a stylish and dynamic feel while driving. The subwoofer offers low-level Radio Corporation of America inputs and high-level inputs, making it suitable for various car audio systems. Adjustable input sensitivity and built-in protection circuits help protect the subwoofer from thermal damage, short circuits, and overload, ensuring long-term reliability. It includes a wired bass remote control for easy sound adjustments. In our list, the number 3 product name is Pioneer T's A301D4. Pioneer T's A301D4 12-inch subwoofer is designed to deliver strong bass performance for car audio systems. It is suitable for people who want deep and powerful sound while driving. This subwoofer has a peak power output of 1600 watts, which helps produce rich and dynamic sound that can enhance any music experience. The dual 4-ohm voice coil design allows flexible wiring options, making it easier to connect with different amplifiers and sound systems. This setup can improve the overall performance of the audio system. It also helps the subwoofer handle more power, ensuring it works well during long listening sessions. The subwoofer has a honeycomb injection molded polypropylene composite seamless cone and a rigid drive cone, which can improve sound quality. These materials help produce deep and clear bass while reducing distortion. They also make the subwoofer durable, helping it last a long time even with regular use. The frequency response of this subwoofer goes up to 1,600 Hz, covering a range of low and mid bass sounds. It can fill the car with strong bass, improving the listening experience across different music styles. The high sensitivity ensures that the subwoofer can perform well even with lower power input. In our list, the number 4 product name is Skar Audio EVL65D4. Skar Audio EVL65D4 6.5-inch car subwoofer is made for people who want deep bass from a small audio system. It has a maximum power output of 400 watts, making it suitable for improving sound quality in cars. This subwoofer is built with a dual 4-ohm voice coil design, which can offer flexibility for wiring and installation. This model can handle continuous power of 200 watts, allowing it to perform well during long listening periods. It has a copper voice coil measuring 2 inches, helping produce clear and accurate sound. The sensitivity rating is 82.8 decibels, meaning it can deliver a good volume level even with moderate power input. The frequency response starts from 64 Hz, making it able to deliver low-end sound for different music types. This can help create a balanced audio experience by enhancing bass performance. The subwoofer is small and compact, making it easy to install in different spaces inside a car. Its design allows it to produce powerful bass without taking up much room. This is helpful for drivers who need extra sound without sacrificing space. It is suitable for daily music listening as well as louder audio setups. In our list, the number 5 product name is Rockville SK510 Package. Rockville SK510 Package is made for people looking to improve the sound quality in their car with strong bass. It has a maximum output power of 1,200 watts, making it capable of delivering loud and clear sound performance. This system is designed to work with different music types, adding deep bass to the audio experience. This setup includes a preloaded subwoofer enclosure, amplifier, and wiring kit. The subwoofer is built into a vented enclosure, allowing airflow to reduce heat and enhance performance. It can handle continuous power of 300 watts, making it suitable for daily music listening and occasional loud volumes. The amplifier is designed to match the subwoofer's power needs. It can provide up to 1,400 watts at 2 ohm and 880 watts at 4 ohm, helping produce clear bass without distortion. The amplifier has a high-speed power supply system, helping maintain stable performance during use. The wiring kit includes high-grade cables made from copper, helping reduce resistance and improve power delivery. The twisted pair cable design can help reduce noise interference, helping maintain sound quality. The cables are flexible, making installation easier even in tight spaces. In our list, the number 6 product name is Pioneer TSD 10-pound Subwoofers. Pioneer TSD 10-pound is made for car owners who want to improve the sound system with powerful bass. It has a maximum output power of 1,300 watts, helping deliver deep sound that can fill any vehicle with rich audio. This subwoofer can add strong, low sounds to different music styles, making every song more enjoyable. This subwoofer comes with a sealed enclosure designed to improve performance and reduce unwanted noise. It is built to provide clear and accurate bass without causing distortion, helping every beat sound clean even at high volumes. It works with coaxial technology, helping with easy connection to most car audio systems. This car subwoofer is made with quality materials to support long-term use. The cone is made from aramid fiber interlaced injection molded polypropylene, helping. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.